Imagine cranking out a full month of affiliate content in one afternoon. Emails, videos, ads, all done without starting from scratch. This is Affiliate Prompt Lab, your shortcut to building out entire affiliate campaigns using 300 proven prompts, each one mapped to a specific part of your funnel. Let me walk you through how it works. When you land inside the lab, this is what you'll see. 10 core stations. Each one handles a different part of your affiliate workflow. Think of it like an assembly line, but for content. Research, know your market cold. Lead magnets, build your list with freebies that actually convert. Reviews, sell with transparency. Short videos, TikToks, Reels, Shorts. Email, autoresponders, promos, everything. Bridge pages, warm people up before they hit the sales page. Paid traffic, Facebook, Google, solo ads. Authority content, build trust even if you're just getting started. Bonuses, add-ons that give buyers the final push. And scaling, systems, automation, outsourcing. Each lab station has 30 prompts. That's 300 total, all plug and play. Let's zoom into one. Here's the email station. Every prompt is labeled, welcome sequence, urgency promo, story-driven emails, all categorized so you can grab what you need fast. Now, check this out. When you open a prompt, 3 things happen. You get the exact copy structure with fill-in-the-blank fields. Smart variables so you can drop in your product name, offer, and niche once. The prompt auto-customizes. Optional extras like tone, audience, pain points, or price point help style in the voice even more. Then you hit generate. Boom, you get instant content that's ready to go. Copy it, paste it, load it into your autoresponder, done. No blank screens, no second guessing, just execution. Pro tip, run a research prompt first, then use that insight across your emails, ads, and videos. That's how you keep every part of your campaign aligned without repeating yourself. And just so you know, the Affiliate Prompt Lab is one piece of a bigger system. You also get access to a blog post generator, YouTube script generator, lead magnet generator, digital product outliner, print-on-demand prompts, and more, all under one roof. Whether you're launching your first offer or scaling your 10th, this gives you the tools to move fast. This is how modern affiliates stay consistent without burning out. It's not about writing faster, it's about thinking less and shipping faster. Click below and get inside the lab.